Well, hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Clever Cleaner versus Cleaner Guru. Which iPhone cleaner is actually worth it? We'll be looking at the features they offer, their pricing, and the pros and cons to help you decide at the end. So let's start with the features. Clever Cleaner was developed by a team behind Disk Drill. Some of the features include Smart Cleanup, a one-tap feature that picks the best shot from a group and bins the rest. Then you have the Live Photo Converter, a standout feature that strips the video component from live photos, turning them into stills to save massive space without deleting the memory. Then you have Heavies and Screenshots. These are dedicated sections to instantly find your largest video files and forgotten screenshots. And then you have the Swipe Mode. This is a Tinder-style interface where you can swipe left to delete and right to keep. When it comes to Cleaner Guru, this app positions itself as a more premium all-in-one suite. You have the photo and video management. This is similar to Clever Cleaner. It groups duplicates and similar images. Then you have the Contact Cleaner. Unlike Clever Cleaner, Guru includes a tool to merge duplicate contact and remove incomplete entries. Then you have the Secret Vault. This is a password-protected folder where you can hide sensitive photos or documents directly within the app. It also includes non-utility features like custom charging animations and home screen widgets. When it comes to the pricing, this is where the two apps diverge completely, and it's the most important factor for most users. For Clever Cleaner, it's 100% free. There are no ads, no pro versions, and no hidden subscriptions. You download the app and every feature is unlocked from the start. For Cleaner Guru, it follows a freemium model that many users find aggressive. While the download and initial scan are free, actually deleting or compressing files usually requires a subscription. Cleaner Guru typically charges around $7.99 per week or $39.99 per year in dollars. At a weekly rate, you're looking at over $400 a year just to keep your photos organized, so you decide what's best for you. Now, when it comes to the pros and cons, we'd like to start with Clever Cleaner. On the bright side, it's truly free with zero ads. It has lightning-fast AI scanning, excellent live photo to still conversion, and respect privacy with local on-device processing. On the downside, it's strictly focused on media. It lacks contact management or Secret Vault features found in paid competitors. Now for Cleaner Guru, on the bright side, it is a polished, flashy user interface. It includes a contact merger and a privacy vault. The swipe feature is very smooth and responsive. On the downside, however, it's extremely expensive with the weekly subscription. The free version is essentially a view-only demo. It includes filler features like charging animations that don't actually save space. And when it comes to performance and accuracy, both apps are highly capable of finding duplicates. Clever Cleaner's AI is noted for being conservative. It rarely suggests deleting something important by mistake. Cleaner Guru is equally as fast at scanning, but its best photo algorithm can occasionally be a hit or miss, thus sometimes requiring you to double check its suggestion before hitting the final delete button. So if you want a powerful, reliable tool to reclaim gigabytes of space without spending a dime, Clever Cleaner is a clear winner. It does exactly what it says on the tin with a clean, ad-free experience. Cleaner Guru is only worth considering if you specifically need the Secret Vault or the contact management tools and don't mind the high subscription cost. So there you have it, our clear comparison between Clever Cleaner and Cleaner Guru. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.